evening, everybody. How are you this evening? Actually, it could even be good morning, depending on where you are in the world, or even good afternoon. I'm here in Nairobi, Kenya, and it's 4:02 p.m. So for us, it's evening. It's been a lovely Sunday day. The sun has been out the whole day, and I just thought about, as I'm preparing for the week, we are having quite a number of activities happening at the Fierce Trade House. There are many of you have just joined our community or come on board our community in the last couple of weeks. Some of you have just joined our Telegram channel just the other day. A lot of you do not necessarily know exactly how to proceed with us in terms of us just trying to help you get to your goals as a trader. But yes, my name is Lilian Okado and I run the Fierce Trade House, and my goal really is just to enable more people out there to get to learn about Forex, to get to become traders just like me. Let me just tell you, especially for the people who just started in this industry of trading, I too knew nothing about trading. The first time I heard about Forex was in 2007, and with a few of my friends we attempted to learn how to trade. We were on the internet when the internet was slow, and we were trying to learn from this website called Baby Pips. I'm sure many of you traders have gone through that website, so you know what I'm talking about. And then, but nothing ever came out of it. I got out of that. I went into other things. I'm a writer by profession. But then in 2017, I was reintroduced again to the industry. A friend of mine just told me about this amazing industry and how he had been making money off of it, and I was like, you know what, why not get into it again? So I remember how we were doing it is we were giving somebody our money. I'm sure some of you have done that, and then they trade for you, and then you know how it goes. So it didn't really go that well for me, but I was determined to just get to know, because I had already had experiences from other people. I had met traders who were actually doing really well. So for me, in 2018, I enrolled into an academy and I began to learn how to trade. So the reason why I'm here today is because of that decision. Because if I hadn't decided to take this industry seriously and actually apply myself professionally to learn just like any other skill out there, I don't think I would be having this conversation. So right now I'm very passionate about educating and just helping more people learn, and that's why I set up the Fierce Trade House. Since 2019, I've actually had a Telegram channel where I've been, analyzing the markets on behalf of other people, different communities around the world, sharing my trade ideas, and you know what, it's been a real run, and it's actually been at no cost. And this year, actually last year, I decided, you know what, I wanted to reach more people, but for it to be more effective, I needed to just put a fee to it, attach a fee to it, so that I can actually do this a bit more professionally for a lot of people out there. So yes, we do have different services that we offer at the Fierce Trade House. The first one, which is our main one right now, is our Fierce Trade House alerts. Okay, and for some people may be wondering, okay, Lilian, why are you selling your signals and everything and whatnot, and how valuable, what kind of, are they quality signals? Will I make money? Let me just tell you something. When I got started learning through the academy I just mentioned earlier, that's how I said learning, the first couple of dollars that I ever made was because I copy pasted somebody else's trade ideas. Okay, all I remember in my first week of trading a live account of $50 was, I'm told buy, I go into my MT4, I key in buy, and I'm told sell, I go into my MT4, I key in sell, and I wait. Okay, and that's how I made money. I remember in my first 2 weeks, I was able to grow my account of $50 to over $220 in 2 weeks, just taking signals from somebody else, taking signals from somebody who was there before me, somebody who had actually taken the time to learn and had become so good at what they were doing. And so I don't want you guys to think that, this is just something that we are doing for the sake of it and for the money. No, we actually analyze the charts every single day, okay? Every single day, except the weekends, obviously. And then we make sure that we are giving you amazing trades that have good entries. Yes, our success rate is about 85-86% consistently. Sometimes we do have terrible trading weeks. You guys all know that as traders, it happens. But generally, that is what our success rate has been. Of course, this is a disclaimer. Okay, past results do not guarantee future results. That being said, introducing Fierce Trade House alerts, okay, was just to enable it to have a bit more focus, okay, to give more value. So you'll find that every single day I share about 15 trades a day, many of which hit TP. We have 3 packages, because people ask me about the packages. We have 3 packages, okay? We have our basics package, which is $50 monthly. You pay $50 monthly. You can convert that into your local currency. And then we have our quarterly package, which is our standard package, which is every 3 months, okay? You're billed $100, okay? So if you do the math, somebody who's paying $50 a month is actually paying more than the person who's paying $100 for 3 months, okay? And if you're following, we have our 6 months package, which is our premium package, and what I usually recommend to people, because guys, you don't want to be trading for 1 month. You want to build a discipline, okay? And you want to be able to test the trade ideas at our Fierce Trade House, okay, a bit longer, because then you'll see some months, yes, might be dicey, but then overall you'll find that your portfolio is balancing out because you've been trading with our signals much longer. So our premium package of 6 months is $150, and if you do the math, guess what? You're going to be paying about $25 a month, as opposed to somebody who takes the monthly package, which is $50. So that's our first service or product, okay, and it's been going pretty well. This month, in the last 3 weeks, we've done an average of 77% success rate. And the reason why it's 77, the first week we had 86%. Second week we had a really tough week, so it was 60%. I think it was 59.8% thereabouts. Then last week we had a success rate of 86.86. So our average has actually been over 77%. But that's basically what it is. So you know that you're going to be making money off of these signals. There are a lot of people who've been taking my trade ideas for the last 2 years, okay? And so join us. That's basically it on the signal service. Now, secondly, we also have our learning courses, what I call our coaching programs, okay, guys? What is going to be happening is I am going to be hosting 2 courses, yeah, which are the next classes are beginning in April. From April 5th, we have our next classes. We have our beginners class, okay, which costs $150. It's an 8-week course, taking you who is a newbie from scratch. Now, for beginners could be somebody who's gone on the internet, tried to trade, but hasn't really gotten any foundation in terms of education in the subject. Yes, they've watched a couple of YouTube, but they're just all over the place. They don't know what's happening. Or people who just have heard about Forex, have always been curious about it, want to learn and want to try out, and just see if they can turn this into an income, okay? And I can tell you for sure, Forex can give you a real income. Talking from experience, this is what I do right now, full time, okay? So $150 for 8 weeks. We'll have weekly classes. Once you subscribe and enroll into the academy, and then you send your payment reference to our email that is there on the instructions of how to make the payments, we will then send you the details specific about the calendar, what we'll be learning about. But just know you're going to be learning everything about Forex from the basics level to a level where you can actually get into the market and trade directly from your phone or your laptop or whatever mobile device you're going to be using for trading. Now, that's for beginners. 8 weeks course, that is it. Now, we also have an advanced coaching program for advanced traders. Here I am talking about basically people who have already maybe even gone through formal training, okay, or have been learning. I've met so many people who inbox me every single day. Let me just tell you guys, my phone is always off the hook, okay, in terms of the messages I receive, over 30-40 messages a day, and the messaging is the same. The communication is the same. People are out here, have been learning how to trade, they're struggling, they're not yet profitable, they don't know what, they're reaching that point whereby they know the basics, but being consistently profitable is a challenge. And let me tell you, for sure, I identify with you, because that is where I was for the longest time, guys. I remember blowing account after account after account after account. If you can identify that, and let me tell you, I had gone through the training, I had gone through the academy, I knew everything about trading, I knew about the indicators, but what I've learned about trading, one, is if you don't have the mentorship, okay, it can be a challenge. So thankfully for me, I had amazing mentors, okay, and thankfully for me, I was extremely consistent with my trading. So what this program is all about is going to be able to identify what are your challenges as a trader, okay, when you're going to focus on those, okay. So it's going to be very interactive for those people who already have trading experience but are struggling, and then I'll be teaching you my strategy, okay. Remember, I have a trading signals channel that has been very profitable in terms of success rate. People have been making money. I remember there's somebody who actually confessed to me privately and told me, hey, I've actually been able, okay. I remember it was in December. She told me in December of last year that for the first time she was able to pay for a holiday at the coast, in our Kenyan coast, for her entire family because of trading. And this is somebody who also used to take my signals, okay? And then we have somebody else who was based out in the UK, okay? And she is Kenyan, but based in the UK. And she was also taking my trades. And she said that within a month to 3 months, she was able to make enough money, okay, to buy land back home in Nanyuki. So guys, I'm just saying, past results, again, disclaimer, do not guarantee future results, but this is what I am going to do. I am going to be teaching you how I trade. I know all of you guys who are advanced traders or who have experience in trading, you already have your own ways of trading, but they're not working. So why not come and join me for 12 weeks? You pay only $400 and I show you every single thing in terms of how I trade and how I analyze the charts. We'll also have, for the courses, we'll also have live analysis sessions in the markets together, and you guys can actually learn practically. So that's it for now. I don't want to talk for too long. I've already taken more time than I actually anticipated, but welcome to the Fierce Trade House. Remember, we have our 3 products, our signal service. If that is for you, subscribe. In the groups, there are flyers that have all the details for the different plans. Then we have our beginners course and our advanced course, okay, for people who are already traders, beginning in April. So guys, let's just make up our decisions. Hit me up on the DM, myself or Jane. She's also in our Telegram group. And you can just get more information on how to actually make the payments and how to what emails to send in terms of your reference after you're done. And then let's get started. So see you guys in April. And this week, our Fierce Trade House Alerts channel still continues. For those who are in there and who want to subscribe, because this week is gonna be awesome. So thank you guys and have a lovely Sunday evening and week ahead. Thank you.